The DJI Pocket 2 is a small but powerful gimbal camera and comes with a nice case for taking it on the go. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can use for the DJI Pocket 2, and I'll show you how you can stow it in your everyday carry like your backpack or your computer bag so you can keep it safe with the gimbal head protected and ready for those situations where you just want to shoot stabilized video. If you have the DJI Pocket 2 or the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, it's important to have it with you and protected so you can shoot anytime. Now, the device has been out almost 6 months and you're starting to see more accessories which are made specifically for the Pocket 2. The Pocket 2 has a bigger gimbal head, and not all accessories for the original Osmo Pocket work for the Pocket 2. I'm going to show you a few that work for me on the go. And the first thing is a cage, which works with both a regular tripod or action camera accessories you might already have. And I have these for the original Osmo Pocket, and while most of these will fit, I tried them on and the fit is really tight and may scratch the Pocket 2. Not only that, the Pocket 2 has new mic ports for directional audio, and on some of the older cages, they may actually cover the new mic ports. So this is the Ulanzi OP12. And this works well for the DJI Pocket 2. As with most cages, since this already has a tripod mount on the bottom, you just have to remove the mounting tip if it's on your Pocket 2 so it fits correctly. What I like about this cage is you simply unbuckle the latch, open the back of the cage, slide your Pocket into the cage, close and rebuckle the latch once your Pocket is inside the cage. You can also do it with the lanyard attached, and I always keep mine on just in case I lose grip on it. Now, the power button is protected from accidental presses so you don't accidentally turn it on, and with regards to the onboard mics, you'll see the backside or control side mic is exposed, and on the opposite side, the front side of the gimbal has the mic exposed too. For the right and left sides, you'll see openings for those mics as well. Now, there are 3 different action mount points and a 1/4-inch tripod mount. So you can use your action camera accessories, grips, or accessories with a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. And you know what I also discovered? If you do vertical video, this side mount is perfect for putting on the handle and grip for shooting vertical video for Instagram or TikTok. Not that I do any of those dancing videos, but maybe you do. Now, as you can see, the USB-C charging port is exposed, so you can charge on the go with a power bank or attach a USB-C compatible microphone too. Also, there is a cold shoe mount, so you can attach a portable light, mic, or other accessory. Unfortunately, one downside is while you can easily change from the joystick controller to the phone connector, if you want to film or use this attachment, it won't work with this cage on. But if you're using this to simply protect your DJI Pocket 2 in your everyday carry-on bag, this cage is for you. Now, the other downside is the gimbal head is not protected when the camera is off, so that brings me to this accessory. This is the Anby gimbal and screen protector cover for the Pocket 2. This has a hard plastic cover to protect the gimbal head and lock it from moving around. Once you power down your DJI Pocket 2, you slide the gimbal head into the plastic cover until it snaps. Once you do, rotate the gimbal head so the large rubber piece covers the screen and snap it secure. Since this has you rotate the gimbal head after it turns off in order for the screen to be protected, I did something different. I flipped the silicone band where it attaches to the plastic cover. That way, when you attach the cover, the gimbal is pointing in the same direction as it does when it's turned off, and the screen cover now covers the whole screen when it is inside the cage. When attached, the gimbal head is secure and the screen is protected even if it moves around in your backpack or bag. Now, before we move on to another accessory, hit that like button if you've used accessories like these. Another accessory for quick trips or shooting on the go is this. This is the Pgytek Action Camera Extension Pole Tripod. I have this for my DJI Osmo Action, and this is so versatile. It has a mount for action cameras like the GoPro and the Osmo Action. You can also attach an adapter for cameras with a 1/4-inch mount. Since the Ulanzi cage has both types of mounts, this gives you flexibility on how you want to use it. As you can see here, it can be a table tripod for when you do a segment from a table, like when you're doing a food vlog. In this shot, I've connected this using the action mount, and this works well for vlogging, and you can extend the pole so you can get a wider shot. And as I talked about with the Ulanzi cage, you can mount this for shooting vertical videos. Now all these accessories can cover your Pocket 2, protect the gimbal head, and can help as an extended grip or tripod for your Pocket 2. The nice thing is this fits into your backpack or everyday carry bag, and since the USB-C port is exposed, you can also charge on the go with your everyday power bank. So what accessories are you using for your DJI Pocket 2? Let me know in the comments below. For more tips and tricks, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.